Tasteful Texture is a style that requires you to use what you already have. It's not about going out and finding new things. Find something that you really love. Use it as an anchor in your space that then you can create with. This is peaceful, it's restful, it's a retreat. The wonderful thing about texture is that it's so forgiving, and because you can use it in so many different layers, the trick is to make sure that you don't use the same texture throughout. So look at different ways that you can introduce things. You know, you could have the stronger wool here mixed with the softer fibres of the sofa. You can have hard and soft, you can have shiny and dull, you can have dark and light. All of those things work with texturizing and layering. This is your key piece. Maybe look at this table and take this for instance. We've got a beaten metal table here with a lovely shine on it, with this lovely kind of grey lustre. Now, your eye will naturally go to that next part of the colour palette, which is over here. So we've got the deeper greys and it's woven into more of a linen. So there's a totally different texture going on, but there's still this lovely play, there's this lovely complementary sense of relationship. The great thing about this is that you can bring it down into the floor. This carpet is stunning. It's a beautiful cut pile which has a very long weave to it. The great thing about this is that I feel it's got this plushness, it's got this sense of, you know, wanting to kick your shoes off and run your toes through it. It's inviting. The thing I love about this style is that texture is about realness, it's about comfort, it's about achievability. This is a look that is about bringing things that you already have in your home. It's not about going out and buying everything new. This is about collecting. It's about making a place that you feel safe, relaxed and cocooned in.